Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be talking about the best apps for Galaxy Watch at Classic. And I'm not just looking for any apps. I have a very specific set of criteria. First, the app must be truly functional. It can't just be a good looking skin or a simple gimmick. Second, the app needs to be beautiful. A high quality, well designed interface makes using an app a real pleasure. And finally, the last criteria that I'm looking for, and this is not a deal breaker actually. If the app is great and you have to download a companion app, that would also work. But I'm looking for apps that can run independently on the watch as well. And stick around because I'll be sharing my personal favorites later on in the video. And with that, let's get started. First app that I want to talk about is called Habitica. This is a great app for anyone looking to structure their tasks and build better habits. Habitica allows you to add tasks into 3 categories: dailies, to-dos, and habits. You can create a new task and assign a type. For example, you can set it as a habit to meditate or exercise every day. The app's design is beautiful and functional. As you tap the plus button to complete a task, you build your habits over time. While the companion app on your phone offers a more detailed graphical view of your stats, the watch app provides all the basic functionality you need to stay on track. The best part is that you can delete the phone companion app after the initial sign-in and use Habitica as a standalone app on the watch. Next on the list is the Focus To Do app. This app is a well-designed Pomodoro timer. When you open it, you'll see a 25-minute timer, which is a standard Pomodoro session. You can tap the plus button to see your tasks for the day, which can be added via the companion app on your phone. Once you hit play, the timer starts and you can see which task you are currently working on. When you have completed a task, just tap the circle to mark it as done. You can also swipe left to see your total focus time for the day, which is a great way to track your productivity. The next app I want to talk about is a simple one, but it's the only fasting app I could find for Wear OS. It's called One. It's not the most beautiful app, but it is functional. The simple dashboard shows 16 hours and a start fasting button. This is ideal for those who are starting intermittent fasting, as the 16-hour fasting window with an 8-hour eating window is a common starting point. While it lacks more advanced features like changing the fasting time, it serves its purpose perfectly. The timer shows you your start time and the goal time. You can even go back to your watch face, and an active icon at the bottom of the screen will remind you that the timer is running. This app is completely standalone. There isn't even a companion app for your phone, which is quite unique. Moving on, I want to talk about a well-known app, SoundCloud. The reason it made the list is because of its excellent watch app. It's both good-looking and highly functional. You can listen to music directly from the watch's speaker, which is a fantastic feature. The main dashboard has your playback controls, and if you swipe left, you can access your library, including like tracks, history, and playlists. You can control the volume by rotating the bezel and even change the audio output from the watch speaker to your Bluetooth headphones. I love the visual details like the graphic around the play button that fills up as the song progresses. Moving on, let's talk about a different kind of app, a stopwatch. While the Galaxy Watch has a built-in stopwatch, this third-party app is visually superior. The design is clean and intuitive. When you start the timer, a progress bar moves around the edge of the display. When you tap the lap button, it records your lap time and leaves an orange indicator on the progress bar. You can scroll up to see all your lap timing. The visuals are incredibly cool, making it functional and a beautiful app. Next, the app I want to talk about is called Calm, one of the best meditation apps that you can find. It features a colorful and beautifully designed interface with categories like the big idea and breathe. You can browse all meditations and stories, and best of all, listen to them through the watch's built-in speaker. You don't even need a companion app, and the stories are genuinely good. There are also playback controls available on the app. It's an incredibly useful, functional, and a beautiful app that can be used on its own. Next, for a dose of inspiration, there is a motivation app. This is a simple standalone app that provides quotes from popular and historical figures. Every time you tap the display, you'll see a new quote, and sometimes it will show you the author's name. If you're feeling a bit low and need a quick lift, this app is perfect for a dose of inspiration right on your wrist. Now we are getting into the territory of my personal favorite apps. The first one is FortMob. This app allows you to track soccer leagues from around the world. The best part? It's completely standalone. You don't need to sign in, you don't even need a companion app on your phone, and it's absolutely free. The app looks great with icons for all the teams. It shows you the matches for the day, and you can get detailed information like lineups and league tables. The functionality is incredible. Almost every piece of information you can think of is right there on your wrist, and it's one of the best apps for any football fan. Next app is a very functional and beautiful one, especially if you are an audiobook fan. The app is Audible. Now, you do need a companion app for this one, but if you listen to audiobooks, you likely already have it on your phone. You can download books directly to your watch for offline listening. which is awesome. There's a ton of functionality built in. You can skip forward or back 30 seconds, add bookmarks, and jump between sections. You can even change the playback speed. If you go in settings, you can also change the speed timings and skip interval timings as well. Now, the one catch is that you need Bluetooth headphones to listen, but for an app with this much functionality, it's a small price to pay. I would say it's one of the best apps in the free category that you can download. And finally, I want to talk about my personal favorite app called Pocket Casts. For this app, you not only need a companion app, but you also need a premium subscription. But let me tell you this, it is absolutely worth it. This app is mind-blowing. The interface is gorgeous and incredibly functional. You can see you're actively playing podcasts at the top and below your podcast folders, a premium feature that organizes them by category. You can download episodes to the watch, add them to the playlist, and read the description as well. The best feature is that you can listen to podcasts directly through the watch's speaker. The playback controls are extensive as well. You can play, pause, skip forward or back, change the speed, trim silences, and boost the volume. Swiping left shows you your upcoming episodes, and swiping right brings you to the episode's main page, where you can read its description in detail as well. This app offers an amazing level of detail and control for podcast fans. If you have a premium subscription of this app, downloading a companion app on your watch is every penny worth it. That's it from this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you want to share your favorite apps, let us know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.